Well, today we're going to change a heating element in this stove here. So we bought a new heating element right here, and then we're going to go ahead and put one inside of this stove. First thing you got to do is make sure you unplug it. What you have here, you have two screws, one here and one over here, and you just remove those screws. Make sure your stove is off, of course. Okay, and then you want to pull these back. Pull them back a little bit, and there's two wire connectors here in the back. You don't pull them too far through. Just want to pull them back enough back that you can pull these connectors off. Okay? Just don't let them go. Don't let them go back through. They'll come out. Okay. And we just remove this old one here. Okay, and this is the new one. These are all basically, when you buy these, they're pretty much the same. It's made by, you can use Frigidaire. There's a couple of different names. I don't know if you can see them or not, that you can use for the same model. I mean, if you think you have to go have somebody install these, I mean, you really don't. Just make sure you turn off your stove. Make sure you unplug it so there's no electric. And then just plug these things back in here. Come on, get back in there. There it goes. And take your time. Don't try not to kink it too much. There you go. Make sure we're back in there for it. Okay. Then just place your screws back in it. One. Get that in there. Okay, that's all to it. There's your new element here. You can buy these off of eBay, Amazon. This came off of Amazon. Basically, pretty much all the same if you got the same thing here, especially the older models like this. This is a Frigidaire, so there's quite a few different models that fit this same thing. They kind of made them same, so it's real easy. No sense calling somebody out to do it. Just make sure that you turn off the oven, your main breaker for the oven, and then a lot of people haven't tested, but most times do like that. You just call somebody, have them come out. Somebody that knows a little bit about electric, and they can do it too. So okay, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. This is just educational video for educational, so you can pretty much do it yourself. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.